Right, just after 10 o'clock at night, 2200. I thought I got away with not having to film all else, but look at this. All the way over. Even in the shite of the Pennines. It's just black after that. Further out north. Just that orange, it looks like it's splurting into the sky. Weird. Oh god, I've just stuck my arm in somewhere. Never mind. You can see the orange sun rays coming up from there. Well, I can, I don't know if you can. In that area. Actually, that chem's highlighted a bit, isn't it? But down in the clouds there, well, we're further over this way. No, I'm a bit close. There, if it keeps in focus, see the orange splurting up into the sky. Not much, you know. See the chems appearing as well, dark now. Over this way, it looks a bit more intimidating. Coming out from the top of that dark cloud there. Over this way. And up at the end of it, doesn't show very good on this display actually. Looks like the chems are splurted out of it. Using that word quite a bit, aren't I? Splurt. Not right, squirt. Not taking your name in vain, lad. Some frequencies there. Separating clouds. Not actually part of the cloud, but separating it. Over the Pennine side, there's frequencies in use. There's a dark cloud across just over the tree, and if we go in about there, hopefully it shows up with the frequencies, I don't know. Like I say, the display on here shows something totally different to what I can see. But right, we'll get nearer the window for that mark. See if it shows up any better. Anyway, that's the sky. The orange has gone off quite a bit now. So I'll stick with it. Good night this time, and I mean it this time. What the hell's that? Bloody fly. Get out of it. Hogging the scene, I ask you. Alright, good night everyone.